Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 volume slider not working solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Audio. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device. Fourth method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Select Audio Device, click Set Default, click Properties. Change to Maximum. Check Disable all enhancements. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.